mi gente, it's Louie The Boiler Man. We're here in Boulder, New York, baby, and it's gonna be a scorcher today because it's about 95 degrees and it's gonna be high humidity. Guys, this is what I'm talking about. We gotta get some cooling for these people because my neighbor needs cooling. So right now, we're getting ready to not only just start labeling, oh, well, you just beat me to it, but we're getting ready to replace this condenser because the condenser went out, they had a surge, and unfortunately, we gotta part ways and we're gonna install a new one. But guys, stay tuned. I'll show you what it is to change out the condenser and what it is to be Louie The Boiler Man for the day. Wepa. Okay guys, so first thing is first, when I tell everybody, whenever you're doing a swap out and make your life easier, is to label things. So that's exactly what we did here. So guys, we labeled it, got A, B, C, D. You see the letters. Why do I label it that way? Because it does right here, unit A, unit B, C, D, so on and so forth, as well as the line sets. The line sets, you can see the terminals, well, the letters are right here. And you can see the actual connections here for the line sets. So we want to make sure you don't make a mistake. Guys, if you follow my instructions, life will be so much easier and you'll get the job done this quick, guys. But you don't want to make mistakes. Always take pictures, always take videos. And guys, believe me, it works. Whip. guys, we're about to wrap it up. We're almost at the tail end of the installation. And last but not least, we have to install a surge protector, guys. And it's very, very important. In this particular job, they actually burnt out the compressor, the control board, all the boards, I should say, on this unit. And it's just way too costly to repair. It doesn't make any sense. And guys, we were just here a few weeks ago, and then of course there was a storm. They had a blackout, and boom, it burnt out everything. So guys, you want to make sure you protect the customer's investment. You want to make sure you protect your ass, because you install the unit, you install a surge protector, something goes wrong, somebody's gonna, they're gonna frown and gonna say, what's going on? Why didn't you put a surge protector when you should have done it from the beginning? So guys, I would advise you guys, whenever you're doing any new installation, protect yourself, protect the customer, and protect the asset. Hvac. It's officially a wrap, baby. That's right. We just finished doing this job here in Baldwin, New York. You guys can see we just finished replacing the outdoor condenser. The indoor units are perfectly fine. They're older, but they work. And also, listen, the beauty about this thing is it's a new unit, so they have a warranty for 10 years, and a 1-year warranty from us. But also, it saves them money. They don't have to do a full, complete installation because the old units are still adaptable to the new condenser. So guys, thank God, thank goodness. Oh, and one last thing. We made sure we put a surge protector because that was the problem, guys. They had a surge, a brownout. I'm not sure. It happened in the middle of the night a couple of weeks ago. Guess what happened? It burned out the control. It grounded out the compressor. All the modules all done. They just fried, and it was just too costly to do the repair. So this made more sense. It was more cost effective, and it also has peace of mind. So guys, make sure you put a surge protector. It is super, super important. Make sure you want to protect the customer and protect your ass. So guys, I hope you liked the video. I hope this video shows you some sort of value. If you have any questions, call Louie The Boiler Man at 516-377-5200. But wait, one last thing. The most important thing, guys, subscribe below. Subscribe to the channel for more content. We'd love to hear from you guys, so leave a comment below. With that being said, Hvac.